This is the M60 audio PA system. Unboxing. Including the package is a user manual, AUX cable, remote control, power adapter, and microphone. So here we're going to look at the on-off switch. Here we have the on-off switch, connectors for other stereo. Here we're going to look at the design. So the knobs turn easily. Here's the bass, mic volume. Top is the echo mode. Here's the volume control as well. Radio selection, LCD screen, the mic, USB, SD card, AUX. Here are some of the features. So you press the mode, here's Bluetooth. Here's loading the radio. So you just hold down to pause play. Now find all the radio stations. Of course you just press pause play for it to stop. You can also program up to 6. And then once you have it programmed, you could select them on the very left where it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's where you select them. And the radio stations come in very clear. Volume. Make sure to expand the antenna at the back. And so I'm just playing with the volume control. You can tell the knob turns easily. So next is the mic mode. There's the battery. Here we go, do the Bluetooth connection. And so when you're looking at your connection, it will say speaker. Here we're doing the microphone audio. Okay, this is the PA system with echo all the way down, and we'll just see how it sounds with the echo at medium. Okay, so this is the PA system with the echo at medium, and so you can hear it. You might be able to hear the bird chirping in the background too. But anyways, we'll just do some other tests, see the radio and some of the other modes. Lastly, we're just going to do the Bluetooth audio. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.